He's coming around the left side. He's coming around. Watch that left leg on the wall. He's coming on the left. Yeah, you got him. He's coming out, dead man coming out. Go. He's going to the right side, 2 on the right. He's coming on the right side. There's another guy with that sword on the right side. Damn it. Move up on the left side. There's only 2 on the back. 2 in the back. Go on the right side in the middle. There's another guy coming in. There's another guy coming in. He's on the left side. There's 2 coming in. 2 more. Watch that right. This is the spot. Left side's coming. Left guy. There's a guy on the left. He went back. There's Rob on the right side. He's walking. Yeah, that guy got hit. There's a guy around coming down the left side. Another one on the left side. Watch out, left side, 2 on the left. Here he's coming. Left side. There we go. There's another one. Watch your left side. There's a guy in the middle. He's coming out of the right side. Right side, he's right there by the bricks, at the top of the bricks. There's a guy, you can flank that dude on the left, all the way on the left. He's behind that white thing. You can flank this guy, he's right behind the bricks. He's right side bricks. Right on the corner. Right there, he's right there. There's a guy behind that white thing on the left side. Oh. Well, move. Oh, okay. There's a guy coming in on the right. All the way to the right flank. Get that guy. Get that guy now. Shoot him. Parlay. Time out. Parlay. All right. Gun. All right. Get him out. Get him out. He's good.